Hi, this is Arunachal. Today let us analyze the stock PT Engineering Limited. So the stock was in a good bull run and currently the uptrend is very steep. So we can expect a rally even now. So the stock is above all resistance. So we can expect a fantastic rally from the current market price. So let me analyze the stock on technical basis. So the stock was listed around the price range of 44 and the stock was on the same range for more than 7 years. Then the stock started rallying and the rally was not quite good. It's almost a roller coaster stock. So after that, the stock after hitting the price range of 23, which was COVID low, then the stock started moving higher. So it's a fantastic rally from the price range of 20 to 200. So the stock gave a fantastic return. So even now the stock is quite good to go long, and stock gave a good range expansion. So we can expect a fantastic rally in the stock for short term. So let me draw the trend lines that govern the stock. So this can be considered as a major trend line for the stock. So the stock also took a retracement here. So it's a good retracement actually. So after a retracement, the stock started moving higher once again. So we can expect a fantastic rally for short term, and it's also good for long term. So taking long term positions is risky without understanding the fundamentals. So better understand the fundamentals before entering the stock for long term. So let me move to the weekly chart to understand further. So in the weekly chart, let me draw the supply zone. So this can be considered as a major supply zone for the stock. So let me use the Fibonacci tool to understand the retracement levels. So the stock after hitting the 0.618 level, the stock started moving higher. So currently the stock has hit the previous resistance. So after hitting the resistance, the stock also trading above the resistance level. So we can expect a rally till the price range of 320 in the stock for short term. So we can also expect the target around the price range of 330. So the stock is quite good and the stock may also rally for short term. So enter the stock if your trading setup allows. So the stock is bullish in weekly chart. So let me move to the daily chart to understand further. But before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and hit subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published. So currently the stock after breaking the resistance level, now it's trading above the resistance. So we can expect a rally once the stock breaks the price range of 230, and we can expect a fantastic rally without any disturbances above the price range of 230. So let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the price target and entry in the stock. So by taking 143 as a retracement, we can consider the price range of 296, it's around 300, as a primary target. So this target is quite achievable. So you can consider going long in the stock for short term. The price range of 300 to 330 can be considered as the targets for the stock. So the stock is bullish and one can consider 300 as a primary target. So 300 price range is almost a 30% upside from the price of entry. So you can consider going long in the stock for short term and try to be aggressive in placing stop losses in the stock. So the stock is quite risky. So take questions with a good conviction. We can expect the target around the price range of 300 for short term. So 300 to 330 price range can act as a minor resistance. So you can also ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average. So currently after a good pullback, the stock gave a breakout. So it's a good setup to go long. So enter the stock above the price range of 230, and price range of 300 can be taken as the primary target for the stock. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally, thank you for watching my videos.